What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C. checking out a smoothie blender here we got off of Amazon. All right, taking a look inside the box, we see we got 3 different options for what we want to blend in. We got some different caps, some sort of strainer, and more. Here's the actual blender itself, looking great. It's got a little suction cup feet to help it stay mounted on the cupboard, and they do work. So let's go ahead, get this plugged in, and mix up some ice with some orange juice. All right, I'm not looking to make too much, so I'll use this smaller cup here. We'll put a little bit of ice in there, and we will go ahead and pour in some orange juice. Okay, and then we'll want to blend that ice right up. All right, let's go ahead and fasten this in place. It's as easy as screwing it into place. And we'll take that, just drop it right in the blender there. Line these up, firmly press down, return, and now it's locked into place. And it's time to try it out for the first time. This is going to be smooth. Remember, you can put all sorts of fruits in there, vegetables, whatever you like, and really make some nice smoothies. Let's go ahead and twist this knob. Take a look at that action. You also got a left turn, you can go reverse. Wow, that really liquefied it. We can also go down to speed 2 here, speed 1 and 2. Looks to be doing a nice job. And I think we're ready for the drink. All right, let's go ahead and remove it. And there's our drink right there. Now we can screw the lid off. So we will do that now. Cleaning's as easy as spraying this out. Of course, you can scoop a little out if you like. And right here we have the perfect slushy drink. But how do I know? I haven't tried it yet. Let's grab a spoon. By the way, I just rinsed this in under 2 seconds. All clean. And yeah, we're all set to go here. Beautiful slushy. And there we go, guys. This is so good. Be careful, don't get a brain freeze out there. Thanks for checking it out. Remember, you can do fruits and vegetables in here as well. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.